Hello students, welcome to Become a Good Problem Solver event organized by the GEM Foundation. This video showcases the solution for junior math problem published on January 2026. For any problem, the moment you read, it may appear to be a bit tricky. However, when you are getting stuck or feeling challenged, you can follow some systematic steps that will help you work on the problem and also come up with a good solution. So, the research proven four-stage problem solving framework that is termed as Upper Technique by the GEM Foundation has the four steps, which is understand, plan, execute, and reflect. This is a pedagogically proven technique by George Polya, professor, and he has mentioned that if children are following these four steps, they'll be able to really enjoy the problem solving and approach the problem in a systematic way. So let's see how you can understand the problem because many of you say it's a bit confusing. So let's see how you can understand a problem by first maybe underlining the key terms. That will help you pay attention to what are the important things and what to be found, and ask yourself some guiding questions. When something is not clear, ask yourself what this could be, how can I maybe change this in a different way. So these kind of guiding questions will help, and in the website there are some guiding questions which is already given for you to use it. And then drawing or visualizing or modeling for rephrasing, these can help you understand better the moment when you can help yourself by drawing. And looking for patterns or relationships will help you come up with a good plan as well. So let's see, go ahead and apply this Upper technique in the problem published now. So let's take 6 drinking straws or sticks, each of same length. Take 2 straws and cut into half pieces. Now there are 8 straws. So 4 long and 4 short. Using 8 straws, 2 squares can be made. Okay, yeah, so these are the 4 long sticks and these are the 4 short sticks. Can you arrange these 8 straws to make 3 squares, all of same size? So they are asking us to make 3 squares just by using these 8 sticks, 4 long and 4 short. But then there is no cut or folding or all allowed, just using the sticks. And then you can make 3 squares of same size. So you can really take the sticks or the straws in your hand and cut and use to work on the problem. Here the guiding questions mention use real sticks, which will give you a kind of very good understanding. And there is a hint saying, can squares be made in different orientation? Think how these 4 short and long sticks can form squares. So now basically the important point here to be noticed is that the 3 squares made are of same size. So what does that indicate? I have only the sticks are of only 2 size. This is the long stick and this is the short stick, right? So if it says the 3 squares that you have to make is of same size, which size do you think you can make the 3 squares with? Can you make with the long square, like the long side stick? It's not possible. Maybe you should use the shorter stick, right? Okay, so now let's try this. I have a picture here with 6 straws. You can use your own. And then it has been mentioned that the 2 straws are cut into half. So this one is 4 units. So if you want to cut into half, I have to cut here, and it will look something like this. Now, as you could see, the 2 long straws is cut into 4 equal pieces. So we have now 4 long and 4 short, and as shown in the picture, you can actually make them into the 4 sides as a bigger square and the 4 smaller, shorter sides as a shorter square. But then they are asking now to make 3 squares all of same size. So the important point comes to notice here is you need 3 squares and all of same size. So what does that indicate? Each side should be the shorter one, and then how many such sides are needed? So for a square, you know there are four sides, and how many squares you need? Three squares. So you may need totally 12 sticks of same size. So this is the first question that will help you understand how to work. So if you need 12 sticks of same size, so can you use the longer one? No, you have only four. Can you use the shorter one? Or maybe not, you have only four. But then which size is better to make the squares? Three squares, maybe the shorter one. But then you have only four, and how many more you need? You need eight more sticks. And is it possible that you can get eight more sticks from this longer one? Now you can have some relation. Let's think how these two sticks are related. How many small sticks will make the big stick? Yes. So if you have two small sticks, because that's how we made it. From one big stick, we cut into two equal pieces to get the small piece. So two small sticks will make up one big stick. So therefore, maybe if you can think of not cutting anyway, it's not told about to cut. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and already 4. So this is possible. Then there is a guiding question telling, I can't make these squares exactly like this. Can I have some other orientation? So that's when you have some hands-on thing, you will be able to understand that these sticks can actually be oriented in a different direction, and it is important to have each of them, like in this one big stick you should have these two considered as two different sides of the square. So how to make, they are actually part of only one line, how to make it two different uh, sides of the square. uh, think for a minute, pause here, make different orientations of the straw, like in different directions rotate, and see if you can have use two sticks to give four sides. Pause it for a minute and think. I hope you are able to play around with your stick and come up with a way where you have two sticks but with having four different sides. Let me show you how you can make it by having the stick done here, and then the second stick just on top of it. So overlapping one. Now, just with four sticks, you have made four different sides of the square. So how could I make then three squares? Let's see how we could make. So this one again, if we make it a bit 90-degree, just rotate it and then have it here. You can use a straw that you have on your hands to make exactly the same thing. So here you go. All the four sticks are now made into this kind of a shape where you have eight different sides altogether of the square. Now, I hope most of you would have guessed, you just need to connect the dots and place the smaller sticks here, and another second smaller stick here, and then the third smaller stick on the direction of horizontal, and then keep it here, and then the final stick again have it on a horizontal way and keep it here. So now you are able to make three squares, all are of same size and the size of the shorter stick, and without any cutting, just by keeping it overhead, you are able to make three squares of same size. So the main important point that you need to kind of understand here is that uh, squares can be formed by having equal sizes, and squares need can be also on a higher kind of an upgrading side, not necessarily to be on the same orientation. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed making this squares with a hands-on activity. So while approaching a problem, keep this in your mind. You can always help yourself with guiding questions that will help you approach a problem creatively and also come up with a solution. Thank you. Keep tuning to the Become a Good Problem Solver event. The problem will be published every 15th of the month in the website, and then you can have 15 days to submit your solutions. Thank you.